was knee-deep in the ruins of me. Whiskey breath and apologies. Mirror cracked and the man I saw was just a ghost of who I thought I was. I lost my name in a lover's scream. Tried to pray, but it felt obscene. I was drowning in my own disguise when I saw the fire in a stranger's eyes. It wasn't in the church or a Bible verse. It was bleeding knees and rock bottom hurt. I thought I was alone, but mercy spoke through every shattered piece I broke. I found God in the wreckage when all I had was pain and smoke. When my hallelujah sounded like a choke, He met me where I couldn't cope. Not in gold, not in heaven's throne, but in ashes where I laid alone. Yeah, I found God in the wreckage, and He didn't let me go. There was glass on the floor, blood in my hands. I built my life on shifting sand. And when it all came down like rain, His grace still called my name through the flames. No stained glass, no choir song, just a whisper saying, you belong. And in that moment I believe even broken hearts can be redeemed. I found God in the wreckage when I ran out of prayers to speak. He showed up right there at my weakest beat. In the smoke, in the heat, in the disbelief. He wasn't waiting on my Sunday best. He wrapped me up in my regret. Yeah, I found God in the wreckage, and He held me like a friend. I didn't climb no holy mountain, didn't drink from perfect fountains. I just cried out from the mess I made, and He showed up anyway. I found God in the wreckage where the world said I was through, but He saw a life He still could use. Turned my ruin into truth. He stitched my scars into a song. Said, child, you've been mine